Good afternoon everyone, it's Tom from Mazda Gurus, and today I'm back with just another very quick video of another question that I've had from one of my old customers, Alan, so shout out to Alan for this one. He has made the Sat Nav volume, the guidance volume, disappear somehow. So the lady who speaks to you when you've got a Sat Nav route set on the screen in the middle here, she's no longer speaking to him. So he's asked me, how do I get her voice to come back up? So first of all, I just want to explain exactly what's happened so that you can work out obviously how he's managed to do this. So if you are listening to the radio while you've got a sat nav route set, obviously this volume control here will control your radio volume, okay, as you can see there.
Moment for this entrepreneur.
Now if you have a sat nav route set and the lady is in the middle of giving you a direction, so she's saying, you know, take the next left on A436 or something, as soon as she starts speaking, this volume control becomes her master volume. So while she's in the middle of giving you a direction, if you want to increase or decrease her volume, that is how you can do it. Now obviously what a lot of people actually tend to do is go to turn the radio down for whatever reason just as she starts giving a direction, in which case they inadvertently mute her. So this is the way that you get her back up. So on the new generation Mazdas, obviously you've got your control knob here, but it's very, very similar to the old MZD Connect system. You're just going to press down on your knob to bring up the menu, and you want to scroll down to navigation settings, and when you're in here you want to go to guidance settings, and in this menu here, as you can see right at the top, guidance volume, I've got mine muted because I don't like listening to her anyway, but you can turn your volume all the way back up.
Navigation will use this volume setting.
There you go.
Navigation will use this volume setting.
And then you click it down again to store it. And there you go. That is how you can bring your sat nav volume back up. So I hope that's helped you out, Alan, plus all the other people who might have done this as well. So as usual, guys, give us a like, leave us a comment, and show some love for Mazda Gurus. I'll be back with our next video as and when we get a question. Take care, guys.